A nationally known candy company based here in the Lehigh Valley, you know their stuff, is offering people a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to tour the factory, which is something they never do.
You don't need a golden ticket to get in, just a donation to a Lehigh Valley nonprofit. WFMZ's Julia Rose explains.
If you've ever wondered what the inside of the Peeps factory looks like, you're not alone.
I can't tell you how many people show up every year to come for a factory tour, and we don't offer a tour to the general public.
That is until now. In Willy Wonka-like fashion, Peeps is offering fans a chance to tour the factory in Bethlehem, all for a sweet cause.
For every $5 donation that you make to the United Way of the Greater Lehigh Valley, you win a chance, to win the VIP factory tour.
Peeps' parent company, Just Born, which also makes Mike Ikes peanut chews and hot tamales, is teaming up with the United Way for this one-of-a-kind Peepstakes. To enter the national contest, simply text Peeps United, one word, to 40403 and donate $5 for a chance to get a once-in-a-lifetime look and taste inside the iconic factory.
Everybody knows and loves Peeps, but no one ever gets a chance to taste it nice and warm off the line, and it's just pretty amazing.
You can also enter online on the United Way of the Greater Lehigh Valley's website. All proceeds go directly to the United Way and primarily to helping fund educational programs in the area. The contest runs until April 8th, and the winner will be notified on the 12th, just in time for Peeps' busy season.
We have 4 marshmallow belts that are kicking out marshmallow chicks and bunnies for this coming Easter.
A sweet treat for the lucky winner and an opportunity for this hometown candy company to give back. In Bethlehem, Julia Rose, 69 News.